Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to use slide up and slide down volume control on your XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the XIAOMI Earbuds app. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the main menu. So now let's go over to the gestures, they are right here. And now go into swipe. Now here we will have the swipe left earphone, and it basically adjusts the volume. So this is where you guys can slide up and down. So let me take off one earphone. Basically you need it to have it in your ear, but as you guys can see, here we will have this little slider. And what we can do with it, basically we can control the volume up by sliding up and controlling the volume down while swiping down. So basically this is what you want to use, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.